It is really heartening that the Supreme Court of India, the highest court of the land, slapped Mamata Didi and snubbed Modi Dada at the same time. This so-called war of Didi Modi is nothing but a sham of democracy. Both are masters of political antics and also demagogy. See, the Saradha scam is one of the biggest chit fund scams happened in the country, almost extending to West Bengal, Orissa, and an amount of 40,000 crores more than that is involved, thereby lakhs of families. And all this happened quite under the nose of TMC Supremo. But no action is taken for all these 5 years. So some people, some MPs, some ministers close to her were arrested. Then the Didi kept quiet. She didn't actually make any kind of violent protests. All this while she was also a cabinet minister in Vajpayee government, in UPA government also. So she is very much part of BJP and Congress regimes, and her only arch rival is left front and particularly CPIM in West Bengal. That's a well-known fact. So in these circumstances, when CBI approached Mr. Rajeev Kumar, the police commissioner of Kolkata, one of the biggest historic cities of India, naturally, he is expected to cooperate. Why he didn't cooperate, nobody knows. CBI approached him not as police commissioner, but as a head of the sit which probed the Saradha scam. Courts, particularly Kolkata High Court, directed him to appear before the CBI several times, but he didn't oblige. The CBI also kept quiet all these years. Now, just before the Lok Sabha elections, it is making a lot of noise. So this appears to be a big match fixing between Mamata Didi and Modi regimes, because after a long time, after the consecutive defeats of the left front government, the left front held a historic rally in Brigade Parade Ground, reminding the earlier bigger rallies held there. So, but naturally, this should have attracted the political pundits on the revival and also regeneration of the left ranks. But instead of covering that, instead of identifying that, both TMC and BJP indulged in this kind of propaganda war, wherein CBI's Lethus went to catch hold of the police commissioner, and the state police pounced upon the CBI's Lethus on the other hand. So this all turned out to be most bizarre affair, never happened in the annals of Indian administration. Yes, states got powers, central must be restrained, but at the same time, biggest scandals and also must be probed, and those responsible are to be booked and brought to the book. More than that, the helpless victims are to be helped. In this way, Saradha scam is not one to be let it go so easily. But CBI wantonly neglected, delayed all these days, all these years, and now they made it a big issue, thereby providing ammunition to the street smart Mamata Banerjee. So she immediately sit in Dharna on Esplanade Plain. And also it was quite an urgent and quite dramatic that she held a cabinet meeting also there. The 40 years experienced Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, who already withhold general permission given to CBI, rushed to support Mamata Banerjee. A divided Congress chief Rahul Gandhi also supported him. I think except CPIM, which felt that it is a drama enacted by both central and state, made almost supportive comments. KCR, Telangana Chief Minister, remained neutral, he made no comments, and Naveen Patnaik of Orissa made some formal comments. This way, except these three parties, most of the opposition rushed to support Mamata Banerjee. But the point is that here fighting for states' rights is one thing, that is for which Jyoti Basu, the patriarch of West Bengal politics, is most famous in that way. Even NTR, These people never got this kind of troubles with CBI. Even Pinarayi Vijayan, the present Chief Minister of Kerala, slapped with one case, one such vengeful act by CBI for long. He is only fighting in courts. He never, CPIM in Kerala never resorted to this kind of street scenes in Kerala, West Bengal or Tripura or anywhere wherever it ruled. So this is very clearly Mamata Banerjee Modi a match fixing, we can say, and thereby projecting or pretending as if fighting for state cause and also for standing to probe things. Both these things are nothing but pretensions. Fortunately for us, Supreme Court took a day, though it took a day, it came out with a very balancing direction. It restrained CBI from using any kind of coercive action on police commissioner. Yes, it is there should not be any coercion. But at the same time, it also asked, what is the problem with Mr. Rajeev Kumar to cooperate in cooperating with CBI? That question is a very valid one. In fact, it is not a question, it is a direction. So the Supreme Court, in fact, directed the police commissioner, evading police commissioner, to appear before the CBI and tell all the facts, whatever are there, revealed in his inquiry, investigation. So also the Supreme Court fixed the venue as Shillong, not Kolkata. It is very significant. Very ironically, Mamata Didi, who announced that she will sit in Dharna till 8th, appealed before the Supreme Court, informed the Supreme Court that they are ready to cooperate with the CBI. If they are ready to cooperate with the CBI, why should they make so much of a drama in Kolkata streets or grounds? That is the big question. Anyway, the Supreme Court verdict or direction, we hope, will put things on a right track, thereby showing the limits of both central and state. One thing is very clear, whether it is Andhra Pradesh or whether it is West Bengal or any other state. States may withhold general permission or general entry to CBI, but they can't just prevent CBI anyway when the CBI is armed with any court direction. That is very clear. When earlier in Andhra Pradesh, Jagan Reddy probe was this must be, Jagan Reddy probe was also done on the instruction of the court. So this must be kept in mind, and we hope the drama surrounding Kolkata incidents must end, and the fight for states' rights as well as against center's high-handedness must go on. Thank you.